The sunset faded into blue, but every dream still led to you. Your whispered name stayed in the air, like every heartbeat knew you're there. Time can steal the days we knew, but it can't erase the truth. Forever starts tonight, under the pale moonlight. No distance can divide the fire burning deep inside. Forever you and I, like stars that fill the sky. No matter where we are, you'll always be my guiding heart. The empty road, the endless rain, still couldn't wash away the pain.